Here I have Dongfeng Box, and in this video let me explain voice reminder for freezing under low temperature feature. So at the very beginning, let me show you how to get access to this feature. So this is the home screen of your Dongfeng. Let's use the car icon, this blue icon right here at the bottom. From the left side, you can choose sound and display. And here you can switch between the following tabs. Let's choose the second one, reminder and voice. And as you can see here, we've got some vehicle safety reminders, and one of them is voice reminder for freezing under low temperature. So the car will give you a spoken warning when the outside temperature drops low enough for ice to form on the road. In my case, I really like to have this feature enabled. As you can see, you can easily disable this feature anytime, but let's keep it enabled for your safety. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.